We are going to take a look at the Mainstays digital food scale. It weighs product up to 6.6 pounds and is precise up to 0.1 grams. When you unbox it, remove these rubber stays from both sides and pull this plastic tab for the batteries. Just pull this out. It takes 2 AAAs, which are included. It's very simple to use. You turn it on, and you see how it comes up in ounces. I can switch this to grams. Go ahead and put it back to ounces. And now you can just start weighing food. Turn it off. Press the power button for 3 seconds. To weigh food in a container, put your empty container on the scale. Turn it on, and now you can add your food. The scale can measure things as they're added and then give you an aggregate at the end. Add some food, press the Tare button, add some more food. You have to make sure the 0 goes away. Press the Tare button again. You can just keep doing this. And then when you're done, make sure you press the Tare button a final time. And then when you remove all the food, you get the total of all your batches. The scale also has a minus function. Turn it on. Add your food. Press the Tare button. And now, if you remove some of the food, it tells you how much you've removed. So that's the basics of the scale. It's pretty awesome. And remember, you switch the units with the unit button from ounces to grams and back. If you see LO in the display, that means you need new batteries. It takes 2 AAAs. And if you see ERR in the display, you've exceeded the maximum weight. And to turn it off, press the power button for 3 seconds. I hope this is helpful. Thank you.